We're going to check the markets because the rally is still holding. Look at this. Up 465 for the Dow, 300 for the Nasdaq. Almost all the big tech stocks on the upside today. Greg Smith is back with us this morning. Greg, welcome back. I want to talk Amazon. In 2023, Amazon, the stock price was 103. You recommended it. You said you really like this stock. It's now 186. I think you think it's going up some more. Tell me where.
Hey, good morning, Stuart. I do. Yes, when I joined you last year, I loved Amazon at 103. I continue to love it today at 186. I would not sell it, just like I wouldn't get rid of my Amazon Prime membership. And I think this is a company that has their tentacles into all different aspects of the economy with their three juggernauts of businesses. They touch the consumer, they touch businesses. And despite the fact that we're seeing the consumer trade down in their purchases, Amazon is still thriving. Also, if you look at the fact, given all the civil unrest and the rise in anti-Semitism that's happening in this country, what a better way for an investor to play that than with Amazon?
What's so special about Amazon in the age of unrest?
Well, where else is a purple hair, TikTok watching, American flag burning Ivy League student going to get their tents, their helmets, and their Palestinian flags delivered to their quads, all probably in the same day than with Amazon?
But look, the government is involved in a full-scale blast at big tech. They're either trying to break them up or fine them or change them or somewhere or another. Will they come after Amazon in the same way?
Look, I think there's four wild cards that could really throw the value of this company higher. And unfortunately, I'm going to probably dispel the myth on why those four won't happen. Amazon's got about $75 billion in cash. So the two obvious in terms of returning value to shareholders would be a dividend and would be stock buybacks. I think that they have so much spend ahead of them. They are spending so much, just like all the other big tech companies, that they're going to be very cautious and probably not returning that capital back to investors. They have a nascent satellite business. If that satellite business begins to work, that's going to be another big spend. They're still trying to get grocery to work, and that's very important to them. So I think buybacks and dividends are probably off the table. Then the other two that investors think about, which would be amazing, would be divesting and spinning off AWS or their advertising business.
Well, wait, that's the cloud. AWS is the cloud business.
That's their cloud business, a massive business. But if you think about Amazon as a whole and their three large businesses, it's really a flywheel of cash flow that each support one another. I only think those two scenarios of a spin-off of either of those business would probably only happen if Lena Khan and her band of merry anti-monopolists people come after Amazon and force them to spin off the business.
Amazon's 185 now. Where's it going in the next 12 months?
I think we'll see Amazon easily trade 200 this year, and I see it trading close to 250 next year.
In 2025.
I continue to hold it. It's one of my largest positions.
Got it. Greg, welcome back. Good to see you.
Thank you.
We'll see you again soon. Thank you, Greg Smith.